Okay, if you have a single level KARGA or double for that matter, and you want to put a wall kit on the top, I'll show you how to assemble that. So the wall kit comes with these 4 pieces, and there's 2 that have the KARGA logo, 2 that don't. So we'll start with one of each, and we're going to put these hooks together and just give a little pressure and they should snap together. So short to long, and then long to short. And the last side. Okay. Those drops in the groove that's around the deck, and you should have some wall stakes. These snap in here, and they have a little hook on the top right here that goes over the top of the wall. If I can do this blind, that snaps in there. Repeat on the other side. It doesn't really matter which of these you go in, it just depends on what your setup's like. You can put them on the short end. It's designed for them to go on the long side, but that won't actually make that much difference. And there you go. Mat drops inside. Mat drops inside.